Welcome to the future of retail efficiency with Honeywell's PC41ED and PC42ED desktop printers. Transform your store operations with cutting-edge printing solutions that blend seamlessly into your retail environment. Built on the Honeywell Printer Edge platform, these printers deliver fast, high-quality output, empowering your team to manage labels, receipts, and other promotional materials with ease. Designed for the dynamic demands of retail, the PC41ED and PC42ED optimize every aspect of your service delivery. Say goodbye to long wait times and hello to lightning-fast printing that keeps your customers satisfied. With options for USB, Ethernet, and advanced wireless capabilities, integration into your existing systems is seamless. The sleek, ergonomic design of the PC41ED and the stylish PC42ED enhance your store's aesthetic without sacrificing performance. Whether you're managing inventory or creating custom labels, reliable printing is critical for accuracy and efficiency. Our printers support high-resolution outputs at speeds of up to 8 inches per second, ensuring that every label meets the highest standards. Elevate your retail operation with the Honeywell PC41ED and PC42ED desktop printers. Discover compact and affordable print solutions that enhance customer satisfaction and streamline your workflows. Contact Honeywell today to learn how our innovative printing solutions can power up your retail game.